Today's project is going to be to replace this backflow preventer. Some of them come off real easy and some of them don't. I'm laughing at how easy this one came off. Well, at least on one side. The other side's pretty close to the house. This is a common problem here in Colorado. You leave water in these backflow preventers and your sprinkler systems over the winter, and if you don't blow them out before the first freeze, you run the risk of the cracking in your backflow preventer, or your cracked pipes or sprinkler heads. So don't forget to blow out your system. I found a replacement backflow preventer on Amazon for $119. So these aren't terribly expensive, although they can be. You get some bigger ones, but this particular one was fairly inexpensive. So I got to knock some paint off the house. The tools I'm using today is a pipe wrench and channel locks. The only other thing I'm going to need is some plumber's tape. Just taking the old plumber's tape off here, and we'll put on new plumber's tape. And when you're putting this stuff on, put it on clockwise so it goes in the same direction that you're tightening the backflow preventer back on there. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Smash that like button. Help me get found on YouTube.
Thank you.